Hi everyone. Okay, so I am back and I have Kelly Purkey. Yay! So I think this is the last month. Yeah, then she's closing up shop. So sad. So I get the Traveler's Notebook kit and the Project Life or Pocket Scrapbooking kit, and my total with shipping is $50. But not after this month. So sad. Her stamps were the best. They really were. So that sucks. Let's see. Let's go through the Project Life cards first. And that's bust, by the way. 2020. And welcome. And now we welcome the new year full of things that have never been. And you get two different colors. He's really tired. It's hard to sleep 18 hours and then get up and go from the bedroom to my craft room. It's very tiring. So he's having a rough go of it. One of my very favorite things right now. Oh, that's cute. I have so many. Oh, you can color this too. You can color this in with colored pencils or your Copics or anything. It's awesome. Gel pens. I have so many of her kits that is, you know, I'll be using them forever. Sorry, not sorry. Oh, hearts, cute. And that one. Okay, and then we have the stamp set. It's this. I'm telling you guys, I'm going to miss this the most. I like this a lot. There's no such thing as, oh, love that. It's awesome. And then you have the 4x6 cards that are also double-sided. And you also get the alphas and the labels. I love having the labels. I have so many of them. Okay, so that was the pocket scrapbooking set. There is you can't say Project Life because that is branded. So that is what do they call it? Copyrighted. So you can't say that. But it's Project Life. So I choose you. Aw, cute. I always tell my husband that when I'm like, the dogs have to go outside and go potty. I'm like, Bus needs to go potty. I choose you. So, okay, this is the TN, and you always get double. Well, you always get double, but they're always different. So they're always on different sides, and so you never have to pick and choose. Like, oh man, I really love these two. So that's good. I just looked up out my window, and there's Dory staring at me through my window. That was kind of weird because I'm like, oh, who was that? That would be Dory. Okay, so that's that, and then you have the black alphas and then green labels. Oh, you only get one. There's not two. Okay, so that's awesome. That's Kelly Purkey, and I think we have Marches, and then that's it. I'm so sad. Alright guys, see you next month. Bye.